Canada, fidget spinners cost $400. I don't know if that's cheap or not. It's expensive. But, don't call me a bot. So, it's actually expensive. Wow, I never actually thought it would be that. I never knew it would be so expensive. Ah, hello there. The Bolden Boy. Are you guys telling a fidget spinner story? Yeah, are you doing it without us? Yes, I'm sorry. Maria. Boom. We have a fidget spinner now. Spin it. I can't. Oh. Spins. How much was that thing? Like 45, $80, almost $100. Why? It's true metal and there's gold in the middle, dum dum. Oh wow, I actually never thought of it. Look how nice it spins. It spins so beautiful. Yeah, actually, right. Funtime Freddy. Yeah, I'm right. Funtime Freddy. If I agree with you. Yep, tomorrow is our birthday. Your birthday's tomorrow. Nope. Well, yeah, it is tomorrow. Funtime Freddy, when is your birthday? It'll never be told. What's he even talking about? Guys, the point is that Funtime Freddy has a fidget spinner. Baby, you just loaded it. Well, actually, I think it spins for a very long time. Baby, do you see? You just loaded it. I don't care if I slowed it. I did slow it down.